Hello and welcome to Technicforce Tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to install CloudFunnels on your own hosting. First, you need to log into your CloudFunnels membership account. You have multiple options, but in this tutorial, we will focus on installing CloudFunnels on your own hosting. I will also show you how to generate a license for your installation. If you are unable to install it yourself or prefer assistance, you can outsource it to us. Now, let's learn how to install it on your own hosting. It's very easy, just follow along. Click on Manual Installation and download the CloudFunnels file to your PC. The download will only take a few seconds. Once it's completed, click the arrow next to the downloaded file and select Show in Folder. Now, you will see the cloudfunnels.zip file that you just downloaded. We need to upload this file to your server, which can be done using cPanel. Log into your cPanel. Scroll down to the Files section and click on File Manager. This will open a new window displaying the structure of your server, including all folders and directories. Locate the folder named public_HTML. This is where we will place the files, so ensure you navigate inside the public_HTML folder. In my case, I already have several pages in folders, so I created a subdomain called tutorials.cloudfunnels.in. This is where we will upload the CloudFunnels files. Next, click on the Upload button to open the upload screen. This supports drag-and-drop functionality. Go back to Windows Explorer and drag the cloudfunnels.zip file into the upload area. The upload should complete in less than a minute. Once the upload is finished, go back to File Manager, and you can see File is uploaded. Right-click on the file and choose Extract. Select the folder where you want to extract the files. Once extracted, you can delete the zip file by selecting it and clicking on Delete, then permanently delete. Next process, open the new tab and visit your domain. Click on the Continue. This should display a page asking for some database connection details, such as the database hostname, username, password, database name, port, and table prefix. The table prefix can be left as default. To provide these details, we'll go back to cPanel and create a new database. Click on the MySQL database wizard and write the database name, then click on the Next Step button. Next, we need to create a new user for this database. Enter a username. Enter a secure password. Then click on the Create User button. Now the user is successfully created. Now I'll click on this box to give all privileges to this user. Then go to the next step. You will now see the user is added to the database. Go back to the CloudFunnels setup page and input the required database details. Enter the database username. Enter the database name. Enter the password you created. Leave this blank if you're using the default port. After filling in all the information, click Submit. After connecting to the database, you will be prompted to enter your full name. Enter the email address and a password to set up your CloudFunnels admin account. Once done, click Submit. Now logged in. The next step is to create a license for CloudFunnels. Copy the CloudFunnels URL. Go to your CloudFunnels membership area. Click on the Generate License. Enter the site URL where you installed CloudFunnels, and click on the Generate a New License. Copy the license code. Go back to your CloudFunnels dashboard. Paste the license, and enter the email. And then click on Verify. And that's it. CloudFunnels is ready and fully installed on your hosting. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.